Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your bird buddy notifications aren't working, you could miss exciting bird visits even though your feeder is capturing activity. The app may open normally, your camera may stay online, but alerts never reach your phone or arrive long after the event has already passed. This problem is usually linked to notification settings, account synchronization, or your phone's system preferences rather than a fault with the camera itself. The great thing is that you can often restore instant alerts with just a few quick adjustments. In this video, I'll walk you through several easy fixes to get your BirdBuddy notifications working again. 1. Select the specific notification types you want to receive inside the BirdBuddy app. 2. Refresh your BirdBuddy account by syncing the app with the latest camera status. 3. Keep your phone connected to the internet so push notifications can be delivered immediately. 4. Remove BirdBuddy from your phone's silent notification list if it has been categorized there. 5. Generate a new bird visit and confirm the alert appears on your lock screen.